Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at this particular cryptocurrency coin that can generate us a huge profit by the end of this month or in 2 weeks time. So before I dive into this is your first time coming across to this channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. So follow me as I go step by step and also show you this particular cryptocurrency coin that you can actually invest on it, because in the past 1 hour it has been having a great momentum, of which we're hoping that in the nearest time, which is in 2 weeks time, it's going to make a huge profit. Now, without a waste of time, let's dive into it. We're going to use Bybit as the case study. So we're going to use Bybit to trade. Let's dive into it and see. Okay, this people took this particular movement from 0.02524. You understand? This was from 0.02524. Okay, all right. If this was 0.02524 and along the line it went to 0.03, which was here 0.03483, which was a very reasonable movement, and from that it shows that it's gradually adding up and it may take a very rational move in the nearest time. So let's look at it 4 hours movement. You can see it's also reading the same thing almost, and in the past it has gotten up to 0.03730 in the past. Okay, so this shows that this particular cryptocurrency coin is about taking a very serious dimension and loading up a serious momentum. All right, so right now you're going to see that this was actually from here. It happens from where? It happens from here. It ends up here. It happens actually from here. Okay, this to show you that this particular cryptocurrency coin is gearing up for something beautiful. Now let's look far back again. Let's look far back and see how it has been doing. This particular cryptocurrency coin has actually been down for a very long time. This is what is actually giving me a serious hope that this particular cryptocurrency coin may take up a serious dimension for good. Okay, so since when this particular cryptocurrency coin was launched in the past, let me see. Was launched in the past. When was it launched? You can take a look at here. Take a look at this detail. It was launched in February 2024. It was launched in February. It opens at 0.1. Its all high at that February was 0.16 at that very day, and its low was 0. Okay, look at its low here, and its low was 0.095. It closed at 0.12. Okay, so since this particular cryptocurrency coin was actually launched, it has not taken any serious movement since then. Okay, which was also part of what gives me a strong hope that this particular cryptocurrency coin is not going to take a very serious move this time around. Okay, so all you just need to do is to look at this particular crypto coin known as SEPO carefully, and make your own research and make your own investment. So let me navigate to this overview. We can see that Eklepu, which is its complete name, Eklepu is decentralized capital market ecosystems where institutional borrowers can also access unsecured loans directly from the DeFi ecosystems. You can take a look at it here. You can see it's about. Take a look at it, and also its market cap also is over 33 million. Okay, its circulating supply is actually just 1 billion. Circulating supply is just 1 billion. So this is a sign that this particular cryptocurrency coin will also take a reasonable move. You can also see that it has a similar coin, the RWA, the XDC, and also the PAX G. the packs due. Okay, so let's look at the network of this particular cryptocurrency coin. The SIPO has two network, which is the ETH and also the Mantle. So this coin would definitely or may definitely take Ethereum dimension this time around. So what are you waiting for? All you just need to do is to make your own clear research and also make your own investment and start cashing out something serious. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I'm going to actually stop here for today. If you do have any question, you can just go ahead and drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So what are you waiting for? Let's invest and wait for a reasonable profit. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.